Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Thanksgiving turkey thermometer meat probe digital instant read, the Deiss Pro Digital Meat Thermometer. Whether you're planning a perfectly roasted turkey, grilling juicy steaks, or making caramel at just the right temperature, this thermometer might just become your new favorite kitchen sidekick. You know how frustrating it is to undercook or overcook meat, especially when guests are waiting. This little tool claims to give ultra-fast and precise readings, plus a bunch of smart features to make your cooking life easier. The Deiss Pro is designed with durability and convenience in mind. The body is made of solid ABS plastic that's built to withstand minor drops, splashes, and day-to-day kitchen chaos. It comes in a sleek black finish and features a 4.5-inch foldable probe made of stainless steel. It's not only sharp and long enough to get to the center of thick meats, but it also folds away neatly when not in use. The thermometer is IP67 waterproof, meaning you can rinse it under the tap without a worry. Perfect for quick cleanup after sticky or greasy cooking sessions. Front and center is the easy-to-read LCD display with a soft backlight. This makes it ideal for dim environments like grilling at night or checking roast temps in the oven. The interface includes a clear degrees Celsius per degree Fahrenheit toggle button and an auto-off feature after 10 minutes of inactivity to help preserve battery life. Speaking of which, it comes with a County Route 2032 battery included right in the box, ready to go from day one. Now let's talk speed and accuracy. The Deiss Pro boasts an ultra-fast response time of just 2 to 3 seconds. That's quicker than most standard thermometers on the market. It measures a wide range of temperatures, from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for meats, candy, oil, coffee, and even bath water. There's also a useful memory function that stores your previous min and max temperature readings, a small touch, but surprisingly helpful if you're experimenting with different cook levels or trying to match previous results. It comes with a built-in magnet so you can stick it to your fridge or grill, plus a hook if you prefer to hang it up. It's compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly, great for BBQs, camping trips, or family holiday feasts. You don't want to slice it open and lose all the juices. That's where the Deiss Pro shines. Insert the probe, wait a couple seconds, and you'll know instantly if your bird is safe to serve. Or maybe you're making candy and you need that perfect soft ball stage, no more guessing or sticky messes. This thermometer covers it all. Deiss Kitchenware stands by their product, and that's reassuring, especially in a market where gadgets often fail after a year. And here's a bonus. They include a free, healthy cooking tips ebook, a small touch that adds extra value. The Deiss Pro Digital Meat Thermometer is a reliable, fast, and user-friendly tool that's great for both beginners and seasoned cooks. It's durable, waterproof, and comes with thoughtful extras like memory recall, automatic shut-off, and convenient storage features. Whether you're roasting a Thanksgiving turkey, grilling burgers, deep-frying donuts, or just making tea, this thermometer adapts to almost every kitchen scenario. If you're looking for a no-fuss, high-performance food thermometer that won't break the bank, the Deiss Pro is an easy recommendation. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews every week. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your go-to channel for trusted gear insights. See you in the next one.